It's been quite a while since I've made a video, and that is because I was so busy painting. This video is just to show you not to forget. This is an interesting video. I always hear how we forget to put some item when we're making our challah. So I have this trick and I'm going to show you, and you'll never forget to put this in your challah. Oh no, I forgot to put this. Oh no, I forgot to put that. No more. So first of all, the same cup that you're going to use to put in your mixer, or if you're doing it by hand, you're going to put the warm water with your yeast. So now you know that you have water in the yeast because you can see that. And you're going to add your sugar. This will give it the bubbly consistency. So we're going to start by putting a tablespoon. You can measure for your yeast. You're going to take a cup of water, the yeast and the warm water. You're going to use our hook for making bread. And plug in your machine, don't forget. I'm going to put some of the sugar in the recipe with the yeast to interact and make it grow. You can also let it sit for about 5 minutes. Using the same cup that you used to put in your water, we're going to crack the 2 eggs. I'm just going to measure for you. I usually don't measure anymore the oil. Here's your oil. So now you can see you have your oil. Even if you forget, you can see it's oily. So here you have your oil and your eggs. If you think you forgot to put oil, you can see it in your eggs. Same thing with your salt. You're going to put about a teaspoon of salt. Again, this is not so much for a recipe because I do have the recipe out there. It's just to show you not to forget anything to put in your challah. At this point, you can add the rest of your sugar and or honey. If you're not using too many eggs, you could use a little bit of turmeric to make your challah yellow. This is like a natural color if you're not using that much eggs. So let's say I say, oh, I forgot. Did I forget the salt? You can always put a teaspoon in there and you can feel the gritty of the salt. You can see the oil, you can feel the salt and the sugar. There's 2 reasons I do this. One, I don't need to use many utensils. I use the same cup for the water to put my eggs, the sugar, salt and oil. So look how bubbly this is. I'll take this out to show you. This is how you want to see the bubbles. The sugar is activated with the yeast. Now you're going to put your other liquids before you put your 4 cups of flour. That's it. Gonna mix this a little bit and then add your 4 cups of flour. This way you'll never forget to put anything in your challah. Thank you for joining me.